makers, this is Charlotte with Makesy. Today I'm so excited to teach you how to make your own sola flower diffuser. If you've never seen a sola flower, they are these gorgeous all-natural flowers that can be used to diffuse fragrance. Not only will they make your home smell amazing, but they look beautiful and create everlasting blooms that will continue to diffuse fragrance for so much longer than you'll be able to enjoy a real flower. We've also gathered some amazing inspiration to show you guys how you can style them with other natural materials or even fake materials and create a beautiful bouquet that not only diffuses fragrance but also just acts as a gorgeous home decor piece. The sola flowers come in 3 different styles. We have jasmine, carnation, and rose. These are sold in a set of 12 on our website, and they have a natural cotton reed that is attached to the sola flower. The sola flower is made from an all-natural wood pulp material, and they have a great fragrance throw. That is one of the questions that we get the most is, what is the fragrance throw like? Can you really smell them? The answer is that they diffuse very similarly to natural reed sticks. My personal favorite way to style the sola flowers is by combining them with reeds and other materials to enhance the fragrance throw and also just add an additional unique visual element to my diffuser. I'm going to show you guys how to style a sola flower diffuser today, give you some additional inspiration. And as you can see, we even have some colored sola flowers here today. If you want to color your sola flower, it's super easy. You can simply add a few drops of our eco dye into your diffuser, and it's going to basically creep up the flower, kind of like an ombre color changing effect. And depending on how much dye you added, it can either create a really light pigment, like a light pink or light yellow, or if you add more of the eco dye, you can create really vibrant, beautiful colors, like this red one over here. That's just an additional fun thing you can do to make your diffuser super unique and also just add an additional creative element to them. I've also used our Cocoa Pure Fuse Reed Diffuser base. This is a great non-toxic base that's going to help your fragrance basically wick up your reeds and wick up your sola flower so that it can diffuse into the room. The fragrance that I chose today is Yaupon Tea and Jasmine Blanca, and this, smell it for you guys so you can get the live reaction. Super beautiful, light, airy tea notes. Honestly, really good year-round fragrance. The tea notes give it like this really earthy kind of grounding, almost spa-like feel. But the florals and some citrus notes in there also make it super uplifting. So kind of a unique juxtaposition between like being grounding and uplifting in this fragrance. You can combine your fragrance and your reed diffuser base together. I typically use 20 to 25% fragrance and then 75 to 80% of my diffuser base. And so you just combine those 2 things together, mix them up, and you can pour them right into your diffuser. If you want to add on a color changing effect, then you can just add a few drops of eco dye, and then you can get styling your diffusers. I have some really fun decor elements. I'm going to start with the sola flower, which is going to be kind of the centerpiece of my diffuser, and then I'm going to work by backing in some of the larger elements. So these are just some faux plant materials that I have, and I like using a mix of like faux materials and the reeds and sola flowers so that it lasts a really long time, and again just adds like super unique home decor elements. And the other question that we get asked all the time is, how many reeds should I pair with my sola flower in the diffuser? Personally, I like using between 5 to 7 reeds in addition to the sola flower to give a nice strong fragrance throw. And I'm just going to place these reeds throughout my diffuser, and that is all you need to do to create your own sola flower reed diffuser. Just grab some supplies from Makesy.com, your reed diffuser base, pick any of our fragrances, pick up your favorite sola flowers, a vessel, and then get creative. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Now go make it happen.